You're wasting 80% of your study time. Here's how to fix that with AI. Use ChatGPT as your personal tutor. Type, "Quiz me on cell biology" flashcards. It adapts like a real teacher. Use Perplexity AI to summarize any textbook into key points. Just paste the topic, and you'll get an instant digest. Use Notion AI to clean up and organize your study notes automatically. No more cluttered pages. Try AudioPen. Record your thoughts, and it turns messy voice notes into neat summaries. And YouTube Summary GPT can turn our long lectures into bullet takeaways in seconds. Follow Beyond the Blackboard for more AI tools that learn for you.